welcome back to my channel. So today so today I'm going to be dyeing my hair black, but in this lighting my hair does look quite dark anyway, but it's like a dark brown, and this is like a soft black, natural black. It's no ammonia in it, so that's good. I did get the wrong one. This is demi-permanent, so I'll have to get the permanent one soon, but that's fine. Demain. So yeah, let's get to it. You get this bottle, developing lotion, the colour formula, a conditioner, and some gloves, and obviously the instructions, but I don't need that because I've been doing this for ages, so I've been doing it for years, so it's all good.